Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I got a gratis haul for you. So this is everything that I got recently. It's not an insane amount of product. This is basically my what I got for the month of March, which we didn't have a lot of brands come in. So it's just like a few really good things. So if you don't know what gratis is, it's basically free product that you get for working at a particular retailer. I work at Sephora, so that's where I get my stuff from. And the purpose of it really is to let you try things so that you can speak about them. Sometimes you'll be given like an extra thing if you do something extraordinary, or you meet all of your goals or something like that. They might give you an extra piece, or you can pick something from a bin. So it's really cool. It's not just, hey, here's some free stuff. You have to use it, you have to speak to it, it's part of your job, and really that's what helps us be knowledgeable. So if you go into Sephora and you do have knowledgeable people and they can tell you about every product, it's because they probably got a lot of it in gratis and then probably bought some too, because we love to shop. I do need to do some Sephora shopping soon, so look out for a beauty haul. That might be a couple of weeks away though, because I've got to get prepared, get my list ready of everything I need. If you want to see what I got in my gratis for the month of March, and then just keep watching. First thing I see is a little bag from Drunk Elephant. It's a cute little drawstring bag. That would be good to put some toiletry little things in. I always, if I stay anywhere over a night or for a week, I'll take mini sizes, so this is perfect. And I have a product in here. It is the Drunk Elephant C Tango Multivitamin Eye Cream. That's what it looks like. And I thought this was interesting because they said it's like C Firma and Protini had a baby. So that's what serum and a moisturizer that they have. And this is of course specific to the eye area. Really excited to try it out. It has 8 peptides in it, which I think is really good. Peptides are great for firming. They also treat multiple signs of aging, and this one is brightening as well. I can always use a good eye cream, and lately I've been having trouble with my eyes being very irritated and dry, so hopefully this will be a good one. It is really creamy, and I love anything that's going to brighten up my eye as well. I got 2 Dior mascaras. The first one is the Dior Show New Look. I have not tried this one. I don't believe I've tried either one. The Dior Show New Look, and then I have the Dior Show Iconic mascara in the Over Curl. So I got 2 to try out. I'm really excited to give these a whirl. Dior is some really good products, but I've never tried their mascaras. The Over Curl has a little curved brush, which I don't normally gravitate towards, but I am really excited to give it a shot. The New Look has a more a rubberized bristle, which usually aren't my favorite, but here lately I have liked a couple that do have those rubber bristles. I do have to change out my mascaras pretty frequently too, because my eyes will get really irritated super easily, and I find that if I regularly change it out every few weeks, maybe a month, then my eyes do better. I also got this, which is super cute. It's a little fanny pack or a waist thing. This one came from Smashbox, and it came with their new mascara. I thought that was super adorbs. Let's see if it'll fit my phone. I don't think it'll fit a plus. Oh, that did well. So that has my phone in it. It's a great little size. Perfect for a phone, a debit card, your ID, and maybe a lip gloss. Perfect little size. And inside we got the Smashbox Super Fan Fanned Out Mascara, and it says False Lash Look. So it comes in this really cute red packaging. Ooh, and the brush. Oh, the brush is pretty cool. So it also has a rubberized bristle, but it's nice because it's a little teardrop shape almost. So it's kind of bigger in the middle and then slimmer on the ends. Definitely excited to try that one out. It looks like this will be really great at separating the lashes. I got from Murad the Nutrient Charged Water Gel. I really like the texture of this. I found that it was super nice under makeup. I have just sampled it, but now I do have a full size, which is amazing. That's what the packaging looks like. And this one has a lot of vitamins and minerals. It's got a lot of good things for the skin, and it's also a water-based formula, so it's great if you are oily. It looks really cool. It's like a gel, but it's kind of like a creamy gel. Love it. And gels usually sometimes don't give me a lot of moisture. I really need a thicker, richer moisturizer, at least at night. But this one did great. I have to say I liked it. It was really hydrating, but super light on the skin. I got 3 little things from Amore Pacific. The first one is their Vintage Single Extract Essence, which is really cool. I've sampled this a couple of times and really loved it. This essence is fermented, so it's really powerful, concentrated. And this is great for absorption of all your other products. And I know this one is really good for helping the texture of your skin and its elasticity too, which is always something that we need. And I know with an essence, I feel like everything just really absorbs well. It reaches like a deeper level in the skin. I love using an essence. I'm hooked. The next one is the Botanical Radiance Oil. So I have not learned a lot about this. It just says it's a lightweight oil with first sprouted green tea water, nourishing rapeseed oil for hydrated, healthy glow. Okay, and it says to apply this after cleansing and toning. So this is pretty cool. I can't wait to try this out and see how I like it. Usually Amore Pacific is one of my all-time favorite brands. If I could afford to buy one skincare brand, like regardless of any price, it would be Amore Pacific. They have some really, really wonderful products. They are pricey, but boy, if I could use every single product from them, I would. This is the Essential Cream Fluid. So this one is a lightweight moisturizer. I have sampled this as well and really, really liked it. It's lightweight, but super hydrating. I got two foundations. The first is the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. Mine is in the shade Mont Blanc, which looks like this. I have sampled this as well and I do like it. I'm excited to play with it a little bit more and it looks like it's going to be a pretty good match. I did match myself in this. I thought I might have to go with Oslo, which is lighter, but no, this seems like it's going to be perfect, and this is the shade I have in the Velvet Skin Tint too. I also got the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in Snow. This will be a backup for me as I already have this in this exact shade as well. It looks a little light in this frosted glass, but it works perfectly for me. It is definitely for those days where I feel like my skin doesn't need as much coverage. Sometimes if I'm breaking out or my skin's looking just a little bit lackluster, I'll use more coverage, but when my skin is looking pretty good, I love Born This Way. I also got a little Origins Clear Improvement Mask. I think I might have one of these. If I do, this will definitely be going in a giveaway coming up on Instagram. I'm doing one right now that's running through Sunday, so if you're seeing this video when it's new, then definitely go check that out. I'm giving away lip glosses, and then my next one will be in a few weeks. And finally, I got the Kate Somerville Retinol Firming Eye Cream. There was a couple different eye creams that we got in. We got a few of each, and I was able to snag this one in the retinol. I always love one that I can use that's going to help prevent lining. The really cool thing about this one too is it is a retinol that you can use day and night. So whereas most retinols are strictly a nighttime thing, this one is formulated so you can use it for both, which I'm really excited about. And this applicator is super cool. So it is a gold applicator. Super nice and shiny. It is so cooling and soothing to the eye area. I think it's going to be amazing.
I can't wait to put this one to the test and see how it works for me. Sorry, Cindy's. Kind of bounced off the cat.
But I'm really excited to try this one out and see how it works. Alright guys, that is everything I got in my most recent gratis haul. I hope you enjoyed seeing everything. Be sure to leave a big thumbs up if you like these type of gratis hauls or if you like makeup hauls in general. And definitely be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications before you leave. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!